Busy Signal. Come listen to Busy Signal's story with a performance like none ever done before.
This is the third president, Busy Signal. Hey, girl, remember? I born as a bedroom bully. You know, say Tobago, June 7th at the Buccoo integrated car park, Busy Signal live. Them fin was say I saw the thing say Tobago, bully for the gal bikini. Me say I born as a bedroom bully. Tobago gal, why not cock up? June 7th.
Prepare for a musical experience. Busy Signal Unplugged. Get those tickets from All Penny Savers, Urban Fashions, and Blue Monkey Bar, Gull City Mall, Redmond's Fashions, Scarborough, Trisha's Creative Touch, U-Turn Mall, Pablo's Supermarket, Argyle, TJ's Supermarket, Plymouth, Chinese Restaurant, Basin Hall, Illusions Bar, Crown Point, Baseflix, Spence Plaza, and East Bay Fashions. Sponsors include Magazine, Magnum Tonic Wine, the #1 hardware, Busy Signal Unplugged.